Good morning guys, in front of me is REALME GT7 and let me show you how to clear cache and speed up your device. So if your device is a bit slow, if it's still stuck in for some unknown reason, you can perform several steps to speed it up. The best one is to clear cache. So let me show you how to do it. At first, open the settings, then go to apps, go to app management, and choose a particular app, go to storage usage here, and now select clear cache. So as you can see, it has been done. You can go through all apps and do the same, and afterwards just reset your device. So just perform a soft reset of your device. Tap on power button along with volume up button, tap and hold. Just a few more seconds, and once you feel a smooth vibration, also see REALME logo, just remove both fingers and wait till your device is rebooted. Now just do an unlock pattern and that's it. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.